Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So last month I visited Dubai and did some shopping there, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a haul, and quite a few of you said yes. So here I am filming this haul for you. Before we get started with the actual haul, I just wanted to drop a very quick disclaimer. I am not trying to brag about the things that I bought. Hauls are just really popular and I get a lot of requests to do hauls, and I personally really enjoy watching hauls, so it just makes sense for me to make one. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. I'm gonna start off with everyone's favorite store, which is Forever 21, and I got some accessories and shoes from there, but just one clothing item, which is this maxi skirt. It has some really pretty buttons on it and it's very flowy, simple, and it's very summery, which is why I picked it up. So as for accessories, I picked up these two necklaces. The first one is extremely dainty and delicate, extremely minimalistic, and I absolutely love it. I wear it every single day. And the second one is a layered piece. It's again golden and it's 3-tiered. So I wanted to pick up some flats that I could wear every day. So I picked up these two shoes. The first one are these strappy sandals with golden studs on them, and I literally wear them every single day. And the second pair that I picked up are these ballerinas. Now this pair is really comfortable and it goes well with a lot of outfits. So the last thing that I picked up from Forever 21 is a phone accessory. It's sort of this extension that you can hold on to, and I keep dropping my phone and breaking my screen, which is why I got this in the first place. So moving on to Bershka, I picked up two pairs of really good jeans. So it's been quite a while since I've been trying to find that perfect pair of black jeans that fit me beautifully, and I found that and more. So I found this pair of high-waisted black jeans that, as you can see, fits me really well, and on top of that it was extremely discounted. I think if I converted into rupees, it was for under 1,000 rupees, which is a great deal. So I decided to pick up the same pair of jeans in a different color. I decided to pick up this light washed blue denim, and as you can see, this one too fits me really well. Next, I'm gonna show you all things that I bought from my favorite store, which is Lush. So for all those who don't really know what Lush is, since we don't have it here in India, sadly, but basically Lush is a store that sells beauty and bath products which are handmade, organic, vegan, and all of those good things. So I picked up a few things, starting off with this face wash, which is called Dark Angels, and it's all natural. It has things like organic avocado oil, glycerin, charcoal, black sugar, sandalwood oil, and a lot of different things. Now ever since I've started using this, I've seen a huge difference in my skin. Not only the overall texture, but I feel like I've completely stopped breaking out, which is so weird for me. Now moving on to the fun stuff, I'm gonna show you all the bath bombs and the bath bars that I bought. So I picked up this bath bomb called the Big Blue, and this is what it looks like, and it smells extremely fresh and refreshing, and I totally got it all over my nose and my lip. So what really a bath bomb does is it adds color, scent, essential oils and bubbles to your bath water. Now this bath bomb is supposed to evoke a summer's day at a seaside, and it's supposed to get rid of dead skin and soften your skin. Next, I picked up this bubble bar called the Unicorn's Horn, and it does exactly what it says. It creates bubbles in your bar, and I guess it adds a little bit of glitter in it too, because this one has some sheen in it. You can basically just break this up and crumble it under running water, and it would create really beautiful bubbles for your bath. And the last thing that I picked up from Lush was a comforter bubble bar. Now this bubble bar is supposed to not only create bubbles in your bath, but also kind of help you relax. This definitely smells more like berries, and I think it's supposed to be like a black currant sort of bubble bar. It creates really beautiful pink bubbles for your bath and really helps you unwind. I think this is definitely my favorite out of the three. So the next place that I went to was Boots, which is a pharmacy. So I picked up a lot of different things, and the first thing that I picked up from Boots was a dry shampoo called Batiste, and I picked up in the flavor, or rather variant, called Fruity and Cheeky Cherry, which is the one that I always use. So I just basically stocked up on it because it's a lot cheaper there. Similarly, I stocked up on Bioderma as well. I bought a full size and a travel size as well. And it was so much more cheaper there as compared to if I were to buy it here. Now, if you guys have seen my skincare routine, you all know that I love this thing. And this definitely was a game changer for my skin clearing process. The booths that I went to even had stuff from Ted Baker. So I picked up this body lotion from Ted Baker. And I initially picked this up only because of the packaging. It's such a beautiful bottle with this blush pink color. But when I actually used it, it smells incredible. I wish I bought one more of these because it smells so nice. Now moving on to the really fun stuff, which is makeup. I first of all went to MAC and I picked up 2 lipsticks. The first one was the very famous Meher, and it's this very pretty pinky nudish color. I know that Velvet Teddy is extremely popular. However, I did try it and it was way too pale on me since I am a little bit more dusky. I think Meher looked a lot better. So if you are dusky and if you're planning to buy a lipstick from MAC, I would definitely suggest you try out Meher. And moving from the nudes and the pinks that I usually stick to, I picked up this lipstick called Sin, and it's this really dark ox bloody red color. And I think it looks so beautiful on my skin tone. And the last store that I went to was Sephora, and I picked up this set of 4 lipsticks by Huda Beauty, and all 4 of them were these nude colors. So basically Huda Beauty lipsticks were extremely expensive, so instead of just buying one lipstick, I thought that I could spend a little less and get 4 miniatures. So the shades that were included in the set were Flirt, Bombshell, Venus, and my favorite, Trendsetter. Now I love liquid lipsticks and I've tried a lot of them, but I've never tried anything like these. When you put them on, they feel extremely comfortable and they dry into a satin, but they look matte, which is why they're so comfortable. I'm actually wearing one of them. I'm wearing the shade Venus, and it definitely doesn't dry out my lips. I'm not going to say that they last the whole day because they don't, but they have a very comfortable and a beautiful consistency which really draws me to them. So I've been trying to find a really creamy and nude eye pencil, and I finally found it. It's by Sephora. It's so incredibly creamy, and I think you guys have seen me using that in a couple of tutorials as well. So yeah, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, I will be posting 2 videos every week for the month of April, so don't forget to leave your request in the comments down below. I would love to make videos that you guys want to see. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the little bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Follow me on my social medias, especially Instagram, because I'm always on it, and I'll see you this Friday. Bye!